Namaste. I'm Rashmi Bhaskar from Bangalore, Karnataka. I'm a final year BTech student at PS University, Bangalore, and I will soon be leaving for US to pursue my master's there. A little about myself. I've been practicing yoga since I was 5, and yoga has helped me grow into a better person. So, as a student, I know the kind of stress that we go through every day. And yoga and pranayama have played a very important role in my life to maintain my mental health. This is the main reason why I've registered for the yoga instructor course. I would want to teach the students that I'll be meeting in the US, and I would also like to make a small contribution in helping them maintain their mental health and physical health. So Darshan Bhaiya helped me register for this course online, and he connected me to Dr. Shilpa Didi. So the online yoga instructor course is organized so well that now I'm very confident and I have sufficient knowledge to take the yoga classes on my own. And also these courses are online, which means that the videos can be watched at any time, anywhere, and how many ever times you want to. So this will help you strengthen the concepts. And also, in case you have any doubts, you can connect to any instructor here and they will help you anytime. And these instructions are also delivered in Marathi, Hindi and English too. So the instructors are very supportive. Dr. Shilpa Didi has been constantly supporting me throughout the course phase. So this is a great learning. This has been a great learning opportunity for me, and I would definitely recommend all of you to register for this course. And since the second wave of corona is hitting us now, we don't know what might happen, and there will be a lot of unemployment around us, and this can create new opportunities for you. And also with the increasing tension around this can help you concentrate on something else so that you can keep your stress levels down. So the registration is open now. Register as soon as possible. This is a wonderful course which will help you a lot. And before I conclude the video, I would also like to share a small message. So we know that building industries, technology, etc. is very important for all of us to grow. But in this process, we've been killing a lot of trees. So guys, remember, Vriksho Rakshati Rakshitaha. So try saving trees around us. Save the trees and trees will protect you. In simpler words, try to protect nature and nature will protect you. So work towards returning the nature back to us. So thank you so much, and save nature, stay safe and stay at home.